Hello, and in this video we're going to be showing you how to get the application working with Filelinked. This is for anybody that prefers to use Filelinked or perhaps they don't have the ability to install the APK directly from apps.rasp.tv like this, okay? So what we're going to do is you're going to go to filelinked.com just like I am here, and you're going to click on the download link and you're going to download it and let it open. You're going to give it the permissions that it needs because it does have to be able to modify contents to install the APK. Okay, so you're going to install it. App installed. We're going to open it. And right here is where you're going to get brought to the front page where it's going to ask you for the Filelinked code. So just like in your member area, you're going to type it in exactly. So we're going to go 441-91601. So if you ever forget, you can either refer back to this video or simply look at the tutorial pages on the website. We're going to continue and bang. So it just gives you the little message there and simply download here. Now it says Aura because that's what I named it when I was first testing the new apps and stuff. By the time you do it, it might look a little bit different. We're going to dismiss any little pop-ups here. And while that app downloads, you'll see the progress bar going across the screen like so. If we add any more apps to the Filelinked, they will also appear on this page, so you can install whatever one applies to you. Now, this also applies to Fire devices, okay? And to install Filelinked on Amazon Fire, same thing, you can come to the Filelinked website, or you can just follow along any number of YouTube videos that show you how to do that. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to open this up and it's going to ask you, do you want to install? And that's all there is to it. When we open up the app, you're going to just be brought to a login screen. You're going to use the info given to you on your membership pages from the website. So when you have your own account, you'll have all that information. The same login will apply to the web TV player. So if you do want to go in with a web browser, you can with the same login information. All that is in your instructions. So a quick tour. This is the front page of the app, obviously. Along the top here, you've got things like your account status and your expiry date, so you can remember when you have to renew. That is also on the front page here, telling you when the account will expire. And then obviously you've got your TV and movie sections here, pretty self-explanatory. At the time of this video, things are being added. So right now, the letter A is up, but obviously that will have more to offer later. Okay, so that's pretty self-explanatory. If we go back to the home page here, you can record things. So if you have recorded anything, just go into there. I haven't, so obviously it's not going to find anything. EPG is your on-screen channel guide. So if we click on that, it'll bring you to all the categories. You can either have it show you all the channels or you can break it down by categories such as the US here. And as you can see, things are going to be pretty self-explanatory. Like I said, I use that term a lot, but I mean, if you haven't seen an on-screen channel guide before, then we're probably not here right now. So, okay, when we go back, the channel will keep playing in the corner there, so you can keep going through, and always a commercial, right? So that's the on-screen guide. We can go back if you'd prefer to just manually find your channels. You can go into live TV here. And again, same idea. You can either list everything or you can break it down by category, and it'll work in much the same way. Okay. So along the side here, any programming data will appear so that you know what's on at what time, and simply click the video to expand it or go back. Okay, so filelinked.com, get that app, use the pin provided to install if you are not installing directly off apps.rasp.tv. Have a good day, guys.